Wireless vacuum cleaners are becoming powerful by the day, and today we are going to unbox and review an advanced wireless vacuum cleaner that has impressed the Western world with its performance, Roidmi F8 Storm FX. Let's get into the unboxing part first. Here is the outer shipping box with a minimal design and gives a glimpse of what's inside. The actual box is in white color, contrasting with the rich red branding with the photography of the product itself and the prestigious awards it has won. Unboxing the Roidmi F8 is quite easy. All you have to do is just release the carton box locks and we are in. The nicely packed welcome kit is there with the documentation including product installation guide, a warranty form and some more paperwork. Inside you'll also find this unique brush which I guess is for cleaning the filters. I'll discuss this in the review part. The second item in the box is a mattress brush printed right on the top. This accessory feels solid and well built. The roller inside has multiple blades and looks good. On the connector you'll find these soft buttons that will click to confirm its connection with the other parts. On the bottom you'll find the two pins which will go into the another parts of this vacuum cleaner. Next up is the extension boom that provides you extra length especially for the floor vacuuming. It is built with a metal, feels very strong and well designed. The branding of the Roidmi follows here as well, which looks pretty amazing. Next thing is the floor brush. The most important brush of all that comes with only one roller, unlike its international sibling, because most Indian consumers has solid floors like marble, tiles, etc. It looks pretty sleek, same design as the mattress brush and the heavier one compared to the rest of all. The well-designed hinge makes it extremely flexible for floor cleaning. Then we have the main handle vacuuming machine that is pretty handy to use and feels premium to hold. It is made with the high-grade plastic we see in the most premium products. This unit contains HEPA filter, charging port, power on-off switch, LED charging as well as battery indicator, power mode button and the connector to add all the accessories. In addition to this, there is an extra filter in the box, a 2-pin charging adapter, a wall mounting assembly that lets you magnetically connect the F8 Storm to the wall. The last accessory is a sofa brush which is also a long flat suction unit. Roidmi F8 Storm X offered me the feeling when I first experienced the Apple iPhone. A rich look, premium experience and a well-designed portable device that will make my day-to-day life better. As most of the parts made with high-grade plastic, they offer sturdy feeling when you hold or attach them. The dust cup is the only part that is transparent for obvious reasons, but it does not feel as sturdy as the rest of the F8 Storm FX. Holding the main unit in the one hand and removing it is a tricky experience, but it actually is a simple process. Just remove the heavy extensions for the safety. Hold the main unit firmly and simply press the big round button and gently pull out the dust cup to clean it. Be careful as you might spill some excess dust if you let it reach to the 100% capacity. After this, you need to remove the filter carefully and then the internal assembly. Just follow the white arrow symbol to place it back smoothly. The handheld machine itself is barely 1.3 kg in weight and most accessories comes with total weight less than 2.5 kg and the heaviest being the floor brush, which is still comfortable to handle on typical hard floors. I'm impressed with the build quality overall as it ensures tight attachments and a sturdy feel even when you operate this wireless vacuum cleaner at high power. F8 Storm offers two power modes, low power and high power. The low power is impressively quiet compared to my experience with the wired vacuum cleaners which are so noisy you don't want to use them unless you badly need them. The high power mode does get high on volume, but it's still impressively quiet compared to the traditional vacuum cleaners. I started testing Roidmi F8 with three things: my super dusty RGB gaming keyboard, some solid and fine-grained waste on the floor, and last, cleaning my sofa that is a victim of my ground floor wind that flows in a lot of dust every day. The gaming keyboard has heighted mechanical keys and they often collect too much dust every week. You will see a lot of settled dust on the top and around the arrow keys. I tried using the smallest attachment because it has a nice brush that is not too harsh to work on stuff like keyboards. With 2 to 3 minutes of vacuuming, I was able to clean 80 to 90% of the keyboard on a low power within 3 to 5 minutes of deep brushing. The remaining part of it was not completely removed because of the settled dust that has become thick and sticky, but you can see the big difference with the short vacuuming itself. It can definitely get much cleaner in shorter time on higher power. Second thing is my big sofa that is a light orange color which gets covered by dust very quickly if not cleaned every month. I use the mattress brush here, which lacks the flexibility but sits nicely on the flat sofa surface and offers good suction. It doesn't try to suck the clothing on the top and softly vacuums the sofa without any troubles. Same brush is perfectly suitable to suck dust from the mattresses as well. The camera was not able to capture the cleaning of the sofa, so I am trying to show you this cushion that has basically two layers. One on the top is with the dust and other one is clean. After cleaning it for some time, now you can see that color matches on the both sides as the dust is now completely sucked by the F8 Storm and the cushions now looks brand new. I also use the flat section accessory to make the sofa dust free in corners and between the tightly spaced joints. Last thing I wanted to capture on camera is various size grains and how the F8 Storm can handle it, so let's try it out. As you can see, the suction even on the low power mode is so strong that I don't even have to take it backwards to ensure the 100% cleaning. Even with the first swipe, the area is becoming perfectly clean. The floor roller brush used here offers the flexibility to move in any direction, and being a portable device, it doesn't restrict me from moving this device in any congested places at all. Great performance overall. Roidmi F8 FX takes about 2 to 2.5 hours to get fully charged, and it lasted me over 30 minutes while 2 of the indicators are still on. We can safely assume that it will run over 45 to 50 minutes on low power, same as what Roidmi has promised. On the high powers, it performs much better but offers 9 to 10 minutes of battery life, which is fine considering the lower power mode will cover most of the day-to-day cleaning activities for you and you will only need power vacuuming for shorter runs. F8 Storm FX is customized for Indian market as it doesn't offer wireless charging, has 100 WPA suction power, slightly lesser than its international version, and offers some accessories like flexible hose as a separate add-on. It also lacks the smart app. These changes helps Roidmi keep the pricing of the product pretty attractive while not compromising on the performance at all. With the F8 Storm FX wireless vacuum cleaner, Roidmi has made a solid entry into Indian market. Premium design, top class performance and competitive pricing. With about 5 years of motor warranty, I will highly recommend this classic gadget as a value for money buy for most of Indian households. At the moment, F8 is available at Tata Chroma and Seniority and soon will be available on Flipkart, Reliance Digital and in selected stores throughout the country. Its retail price is 27,000 rupees and it will be launched at a special price on Flipkart on 14th of June. So if you're interested in buying this wireless vacuum cleaner, make sure to check out Flipkart on 14th of June. If you enjoyed watching this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tech and gaming reviews. Thank you for watching Digital Conqueror.